The most common prepositions in English. A preposition is a word which describes the relationship between an object and another word, object or element in the sentence. There are over 100 of them in the English language, but some are used more frequently than others. Let's take a look at the most common prepositions. Above means at a higher level than something else. The spider is above the window. Across means from one side to another. The penguin walked across the bridge. After means a later time than something else. I'll feed the baby after her nap. Against means in contact with. The tree is leaning against my house. Ago means from a specific point in time until the present time. He was born 3 weeks ago. Along means from one end to another. The chicken is walking along the river. Alongside means close to. I work alongside Nathan. Among means surrounded by. The frog lives among the reeds. Amongst means surrounded by. The cat is amongst the pigeons. Around means in a loop. The moat goes around the castle. At means a time or location something takes place. The toddler is at the park. Before means earlier than something else or in front of. Reg was born 53 years before his grandson. Behind means at the back of. The tortoise is behind the well. Below means in a lower position. The temperature is below 0. Beneath means under. The man is beneath the umbrella. Beside means close to. The sink is beside the toilet. Between means in the space separating objects. The oyster is between the fish. Beyond means further than. The balloon is beyond the horizon. By means no later than or close to. The fan is by the door. Down means from a higher point to a lower point. The man is going down the mine. During means throughout the duration of something. The cafe is open during the day. For means over a period of time. The baby has been crying for hours. From means a starting point. Lance is running from the castle to the city. In front of means in a position ahead of someone or something. The police car is in front of the blue car. In means surrounded by or inside. The crab is in the pond. Inside means the inner part. The jam is inside the jar. Into means movement to the inside. The oranges go into the blender. Near means close to. The bench is near the tree. Next to means right by the side of something. The angel is next to the vicar. Off means from a place. The sausage fell off the plate. On means touching a surface. The coffee is on the table. Onto means movement to a surface. The spider crawled onto his face. Opposite means facing something else. The rabbit is opposite the chicken. Out of means from the inside to the outside. The boy was sent out of the lesson. Outside means not enclosed or in the open. The dog sleeps outside in his kennel. Over means in an above position. The cat jumped over the unit. Past means beyond. Joe ran past the windmill. Since means from a specific point in time until the present time. Toby has been awake since 2 a.m. Through means from one end to another. The girl went through the door. To means in the direction of. It's 23 minutes by car to the city. Towards means move closer to. The hiker is heading towards the mountains. Under means a lower position. The mouse is under my hand. Underneath means beneath. The fan is underneath the table. Until means up to a certain point in time. You can use the court for free until 11 a.m. Up means from a lower point to a higher point. The rocket goes up to space. With means accompanied by. The baby is with his dad. Within means inside. The jam is within the pie. And finally, without means lacking something. The burger on the right is without cheese. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar lessons.